Yes, so today or presently it's the Global Power Platform BootCamp 2023, which is organized by the Accra Power Platform User Group.
Hello.
Hi,
Yeah, my name is Patricia from Tech platform, and you are.
my name is Samuel from the Accra Power Platform User Group.
Oh, nice. Please, what is our platform? Yeah, what is it about?
Okay, so the Microsoft Power Platform is a suite of services that is offered by Microsoft to help people develop products from mobile applications to application, business automations, and business intelligence on the Microsoft ecosystem without writing code.
Wow, without writing code.
Or a little code. Not as complicated as hardcore coding, but it's just like if you've used Microsoft Excel before, then you're good to go.
Oh, okay. So like just issuing some commands here and there, and then it gets the action done.
Yeah, technically, yes, yes, yes.
Wow. So what are some of the apps you have on your platform?
So it's a lot. It's a platform that allows you to build. So we have people build things like travel request, leave request. People have built booking request, ticketing request. People have built social media sentiment analysis platforms. People have built business intelligent apps on it. So it's more or less like a tool that can allow you to build virtually anything you want to build on top of the platform. So you think about it. I'll give an example. So today, BootCamp TV, right? If you want to know what people are saying about you on social media, whether it is positive or negative, you can actually use one of the services called Power Automate. So what it does is that it will be listening or watching out for hashtag, let's say Kweku TV. So anytime anyone says anything with that hashtag, the flow will automatically pick it. It will run it through an AI sentiment analysis to see if what the person is saying is positive or negative. Now, if it's positive, you can send back an email or you can reply to that message and say, thank you very much. If you've not subscribed, maybe, hit this button to subscribe. If it is negative, you can also say, reach out and say, oh, we want to know why you're getting that negative experience. And all this can be done without writing, code. So that is just to give you an example of the kind of things you can build using the Power Platform.
Wow, that's interesting. That's interesting. Any last words for our audience?
Yes. So today or presently, it's the Global Power Platform Bootcamp 2023, which is organized by the Accra Power Platform User Group. We're a user group or community of enthusiasts, hobbyists, people who just want to learn everything about the Microsoft Power Platform. We meet at least once a month, either virtually or in person. So look out for our social flyers and join the Accra Power Platform User Group to learn a lot about how to use this amazing platform to do awesome things.
Learn how to use this amazing platform to do awesome things. Thank you so much for joining us. Subscribe to Tech, and we'll see you next time. Bye.